Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to teach you how to make a platinum keychain. Okay, this is blue color. So what you will have to do is first hold it like this, okay, and then just turn this like this. Okay? See the steps, okay? How I am doing. Okay. Now just do like this. Okay. Now just take the like this. Then like this you all do. Okay. Then like this way you all have to do. Okay. So like this way you all keep 8 petals ready. Okay. Okay, for this one what you'll have to do, just rotate it like this. Okay, like this way you'll have to rotate. Okay, then just roll this yellow color. So with the help of the glue gun you'll have to stick this. Okay, with the help of this glue gun you'll have to stick this off. Okay. Okay, so I'll have to stick this with the help of the glue gun. Okay. So finally I'm done making flower. Only keychain we have to do the last part. Okay, so finally we are done with this also, almost done. So I hope you like my video, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, share with the friends, press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries related to this, you can comment below. Okay, now let us do the photo session. Okay, so the photo should look good now. For that, let us apply this. Okay, now this looks damn good, right? So finally our video is done making a flower keychain. Thanks for watching, and give your love and support, and give me a hype. If you like my videos, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.